Hello, welcome to Sun Explains. Today we are dealing with chemistry question, and today this is the first question that we are starting with. And this is the question: which of the following substances contains metallic bonding? A. Silicon, B. Diamond, C. Vanadium, and D. Alumina. Let's try to understand the question. Let's explain the concept behind choosing the right answer out of this. So they are playing with our knowledge in interatomic and atomic bonding, so which also requires a bit understanding of the periodic table. So the approach that we use mostly is actually a picture of the periodic table. So here I'm coming to explain some of the things here. So the elements that are highlighted in blue, the elements that are highlighted in blue, they are the, let me get pointer. So all these elements that are in blue, or the blue one, generally we are going to consider them as metal, so they are considered the metals. I said generally because there may be exceptions, that's why we said generally. An example of exception is hydrogen atom. So hydrogen, sometimes you can see it in group 1, and you can also see it in group 17, sometimes group 7 or 17 sometimes. So that's why I say generally. So yeah, all the blue section of the periodic table, these are the metals. The yellow portion, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, and tellurium. These yellow portions are the um, metalloids, and then non-metals are the ones in pink here. So these are the noble gases, the last, so they are all non-metals. Yes. So um, about bonding, this is simple, very simple concept that you have to know. Just know that if they give you a particular substance and you see in that substance it is only coming from the metal family. If it is only coming from the metal family, in that case, we call it the substance that they've given to you. If it's coming from only the metal family, then it's a metallic bonding. It contains metallic bonding. So if they give you magnesium, then whatever bonding inside is the type of bonding inside magnesium will be metallic. Why? Because it comes from metallic bonding. It's a type from the family of metals. If they give you something from non-metals, and if you see a non-metals itself or a non-metal and another non-metal itself, that type of bonding we call it covalent bonding. Covalent bonding, right? So generally, that's what we said. We have metallic bonding. You see only metals. uh, Covalent bonding, you generally see non-metals together. But generally, again, if you see a metal mixed with another non-metal, metal and another non-metal, generally, metal and another non-metal together, then you are going to call them what? They are going to be they are going to be ionic or electrovalent bonding. So generally, again, if you have a metal and another non-metal together in the substance that they're giving to you, that substance is going to be a ionic or electrovalent substance. If the thing is coming from only metal family, it's going to metallic bonding. If it comes to non-metal family, it's going to covalent bonding, right? So yeah, um, with that in mind, let's analyze the question that they've given to us again. Let's read the question again. Which of the following substances contains metallic bonding? So we have silicon, diamond, vanadium, and alumina. So let's see what each of them entails. um let's take the silicon. Silicon, that's Si. Diamond is just an allotrope of carbon, so it's carbon. Vanadium is V, and then alumina. So when they say alumina, we mean this guy, Al2O3. Yes, so silicon. Silicon, if you go back to the periodic table, you will see that silicon is not really a metal. It's not also a non-metal. It's just in between. So silicon is a metalloid. Metalloid. So it's between the two properties. So do you think we need to say that it's contain metallic bonding? No, let's analyze the rest. So diamond. Diamond is made up of carbon, and carbon is a non-metal. Carbon is a non-metal. So we put it there. Vanadium. Vanadium is a transition metal. So it's coming from a metal family. So this guy is a metal. And then alumina. Alumina contains aluminum from metal and oxygen from non-metal. So if you have something like that, what did we say it should be? It should be um so yes, this is ionic substance. This ionic or electrovalent substance. Electrovalent substance. So yeah, that's for alumina. So alumina is Al2O3, so ionic electrovalent. So let's go again. Silicon is a metalloid. So it's in between the two, whether it's metallic bonding. So, because we say metallic bonding, we need to see if it's about metallic bonding, then the thing should be a metal. So if you see this metalloid, that's not really non-metal. Non-metal there. If you are from a non-metal family, you need to be a covalent substance. So this guy does not qualify. This guy too does not qualify. Vanadium is the only metal here. Yeah, then alumina is ionic because it contains what? A metal and a non-metal. A metal and non-metal will form an ionic generally. So yeah, it doesn't qualify because we are looking for a substance. Metallic substance. So vanadium is our correct answer. Vanadium is the only correct answer here because it comes from a metal family. So it's definitely going to be a metallic substance. Diamond is from a non-metal family, so it's not. Yes, so this is the answer to this particular past question. Then we hope to explore more past questions so that we explain to you what each and every one of them entails. Because we do from session A and we'll do session B. We hope that you subscribe so that you keep in touch for us to give you more explanation and build on your concept as you are preparing for your final examination. All the best and see you in the next video.
Do not miss the next concepts. Why don't you subscribe to keep notified of new videos and concepts?